Hello friends and viewers, welcome back to our new video. This video I am going to explore Bur Dubai. Bur Dubai or Old Dubai, small walk from my brother room. You can see the model of the building, which is remembering old movie style, right? This location is near to Ghubaiba Bus Station and Ghubaiba Metro Station as well. So that's the reason you are seeing here more number of Dubai buses and taxis this area. Let's run to catch the signal. You can see that golden brown building. You are coming from that building. Actually, my brother's room is in that building. You can see there, that's a city center Shindaga. It's a mall with a food court and movie theater and Carrefour and so many things inside there. Let's get inside the city center. Here you can see the way to movie theater. There you are seeing Daiso Japan shop. This shop, they will sell mostly Japan products. Most of the malls have Daiso Japan shop. Here movie theater available, namely voxcinemas. We reached voxcinemas. Here is the entrance of movie theater. The biggest Indian movie released here and it's running successfully. You can see there, it's a ticket counter and refreshing centers are available here. Let's get outside from the city center. You can see there, that is the Al Ghubaiba bus terminal, one of the biggest bus terminal in the UAE. Let's continue our walk. After crossing the signal, the opposite side you are seeing Al Ghubaiba Metro Station. You can see there, if you go inside, we can reach the Al Ghubaiba Metro Station. It's an underground metro station here. It comes under green line. It's resembling old Dubai constructions. Here you are seeing like Burdubai Park. This park for weekend meeting spot for most of the outsider who are staying here. This park, if you are coming in the weekends, maybe you will not find any free gaps. It will be full of the occupancy. Mostly here you can see most of the Nepali people you can see here. Here you can see one more lift to enter the Ghubaiba Metro station. You can see here the mention, welcome to the birthplace of Dubai and UAE's largest heritage museum. Tourists are getting out of the bus here. You are seeing here old traditional ancient model rooms. Let's enjoy the walk. You can see here artwork, wall artwork you can see here. Finally, we reached here, like, river walk, Burdubai Abra you're seeing there. It's look like real one. It's amazing artwork. From here you can see all around the Burdubai. People, they are like, in the weekend people are getting relaxed with doing like YouTube, TikTok and Reels. Here you can see there. Here you can see Ghubaiba Marine Station, Karim electric bike rental like area. If you can't walk long time, you can take a rent for the electric bike and you can explore old Dubai on this bike. This is the perfect background for the old Dubai. Here you can see like most number of the people, they are taking photos here. Like they are taking photos from photographers because this background is such a beautiful. The background which will cover Abra as well.